Here is why I think that urban sketching is a great place to start for beginner artists. Angry Miko mentioned in one of his videos that when you are starting to make art, you should start off with an object of something that you can see. And urban sketching is pretty much drawing the practice of the world. Urban sketching is pretty much the practice of drawing the world around you, so what better place to start than that? Reason one as to why I think you should use urban sketching as your starting point is that it encourages you to paint the world around you. Going off of this point, it's just so easy to go out and sketch the world around you. In fact, you don't even have to go out. When you're a beginner artist, you are way too scared to actually draw in public, completely understandable. Even, established artists are afraid to do that. So the great thing about urban sketching is that you can just do it from the comfort of your own home. You can just look outside of the window, see what's there, and start drawing and practicing, and you can go around your house. You can look at the different views outside of the house, you can draw what's inside the house. I mean, okay, technically that's not really under the definition of urban sketching, but for the purposes of this video, we will just include it in that definition. It's just such an easy way to get started. You don't have to overthink things. You literally just draw what's in front of you. And that's the cool thing about urban sketching, is that it finds beauty in everything, which is something that beginner artists will find very difficult because you're automatically going to have a certain definition of what art is or what good art is. And urban sketching kind of redefines that sense of good art, and it kind of tells you that everything in the world around you is art because you can literally sketch anything. Because of that, it leads me to point number 2, which is you don't have to think. You are basically just drawing what's in front of you, and I think I kind of explained that in the previous point, to be honest. So let's move on to point number 3. You build up references for when you are wanting to sketch from your imagination. Now, this is something that I personally am not very good at because I'm not very good at drawing from my imagination, but having said that, I think it is really important to be able to draw things from the world around you so that you can, include it in other work. It is very important to draw real life objects. This is why in art class in school we did a lot of still lifes, because it's important. I mean, of course, it may not be super interesting to draw a flower, which is why, I encourage urban sketching, because it's way more interesting to draw the world around you, even if it's more complicated. But the reason is, we cannot draw from an empty well of inspiration. We need that. Why are there so many noises going on? We need that bank of inspiration, which can be taken from urban sketching, or at least it's a very good starting point. Point number 4, I feel like this is kind of an interesting point, is that your drawings automatically get more character when you're urban sketching, because what you are sketching is definitely not going to be the same as what someone else is sketching. So let's say, for example, you are drawing from the window in your house and you are looking at your garden. I mean, how many people have the view of your garden? Not many. So your surroundings will automatically inform your drawings because that's where you're drawing from, and therefore it gives a difference to your work. You're not just drawing the same reference from Pinterest that every other person is drawing. And point number 5, the point of urban sketching is to actually go out into the world and draw. So this is definitely something that will build your confidence when you are surrounded by people and you are drawing around them. And trust me, this is very scary in the beginning. I still remember my first time sketching in public. It was on the bus. I was sat down and the bus was extremely crowded, and I thought, hey, this is scary, but why not sketch? And I still remember there was some lady, she was kind of standing right next to me and she was looking over my shoulder. And that was scary, but you know what? When you have built up the confidence in the comfort of your own home, in the privacy of your own space, then when you start taking it out into the world, it becomes a lot easier. And those first few drawings are going to be scary, and you definitely have to get over that hurdle. But once you've gotten over that, trust me, the confidence that you get is just insane. So those are my 5 reasons as to why you should try urban sketching as a beginner artist, or even as an artist in general. If you don't use urban sketching in your practice, I highly recommend you do. If you want to check out another video about urban sketching, you can check out this video here. And if you want to just try another video on my channel, I have various types of videos on this channel, you can check out this video here. And with that, I will see you in a couple of weeks for another video.